I love Instagram and all, but sometimes it becomes a really crazy place. I mean, I've never seen such crazy beauty trends anywhere else, and you guys know that I love trying them on my face. Sorry about that.
And the rainbow freckles.
I like that. Moving on, I'm gonna try out some really crazy eyebrow trends today, and as you can see, I've done my entire face, just not my brows, because I'm just gonna ruin them today. I have 3 looks planned, and I'm gonna start with a comparatively simple one. Now this one is called the Fishtail Brow. So apparently the end of your brows are supposed to look like a fishtail, and I don't completely agree to that, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So for the first step, all that you have to do is shave your eyebrows. I'm kidding. You don't need to do that. I'm gonna start by using a fevistick and some concealer to just make a patch. I mean, that's what you have to do, guys. This is where the patch needs to be. Oh my god. But I need to make a patch. Shape it a little. I'm just gonna use my fingers to just set this with a powder. I think they're set now. I'm gonna put on some concealer and hopefully, just hopefully, we'll get a patch. This is so funny. I see a patch, guys, yes. Alright, so after 5,000 years, I am here. I don't have like half my eyebrow here, and I just have like a faint line here, but that's fine because we need the tail. Finally, we get to the brows. So I'm filling the rest of my brows too, which I should have in the beginning, but... Okay, so just putting one more thing just out there. Whenever you see an image on Instagram, it always will look more polished because it can be edited. And mine is too close to the reality. So guys, this is the finished look. I think I look very, very beautiful right now. And this is bizarre. I think I went as close as I possibly could. This is how I look, and I think this look in particular is like a, say, 4.5 on the crazy meter. Okay, so now that is off my face, and we're gonna move on to the second one, which is the halo brow. Now, I have a lot of opinion on this one. First of all, why would you draw a halo on your forehead? It's weird. I mean, this trend was started by a very young blogger, and it got like viral in 2-3 days, which is amazing, and it takes a lot of skill to make that, but it's ridiculous. I really fear that I'm not going to have any brows left. A halo. It feels like X-Men gone wrong. He used to have that eye band and now it's on my forehead. We're like pretty much done with it. I'm just gonna conceal a bit more so that it looks a little more clean. So this is my face now. I drew a halo on my face, guys. And I think I went pretty close. I mean, if you look at it, hers is perfect and mine is somewhere close to perfect. So I would rate this a solid 7 on the crazy meter. Okay, so the reason why my left eyebrow is fine and the right one is a little is because I'm gonna try the last brow trend on my right eyebrow because I can't do it on my left. I just know I can't. So the last final crazy brow trend is the high heel brow trend. Actually, this was only a photoshopped image to begin with. All that I have to do here is conceal almost like all of my brow and then go ahead with a high heel. You know, I've seen drag queens do this and I love it when they do it because they look so like pretty and flawless, and when I do this, I look like a joker, basically. I've never looked this ridiculous, and I'm saying that after having shaved one of my brows completely off as a kid. I have done that. This is not for the faint-hearted. I mean, just look at me. I'm gonna go with my brow pencil. Guys, I'm already apologizing for this. I mean, I know I'm just gonna screw this one up. Just look at it. The person just literally posted a picture of a heel on a brow and then just colored it black or brown. Like, that was it. And I'm trying to make a heel for myself. So that's gonna take a while. Guys, this is my... So I think I am done. I have done a really bad job with this one. I know it. It's crazy and kind of looks, I don't know, 10% similar to what she's done, but this is how it is, and I think this is the craziest of the lot. I rate this a solid 10 on the crazy meter. So to recap, I tried the fishtail brows, the halo brow, and this beautiful high-heeled brow. And guys, let me know what you think of this gorgeousness that my face is in the comment section below. Make sure you tag all your friends who are major makeup addicts like I am. And if you want to join me in this journey wherein I try all sorts of crazy makeup trends, then don't forget to tune into POPxo Beauty.